install this wire on these pallets to make some compost right here. Loaded. So we got this roll of wire at the Home Depot. It's for drywall or stucco. The way you staple it on depends on how you want the door to open. You want the door to open that way. You don't have that door open that way. I'll have this door open that way. I'm gonna flip this bale upside down or onto the other side. So that it's unrolling this way. That way I can make a door that opens towards that direction. And it seems like it's kind of messed up. Let me try to fix some of this. Okay. So I'm gonna try to staple it more towards the top, and it's gonna be kind of open towards the bottom, which is fine. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in a little bit like this, and get it on here. So now we gotta put it onto the next piece of wood. Thing. I'm gonna go right here and kind of pull it tight. We have a lot of bird activity that is eating our plants. So these are pretty narrow. So I'm just making sure that it's in the middle of the line. That way it catches. And I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna do that. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna push this kind of over. Yeah. Kind of secure that in place. And let's work our way down a little bit. I missed this one. I got this one. Okay. Going. Okay. Good. You could always come back and add more staples if you need to. This is sticking a little out too much for my liking, so I'm gonna add a little bit more here. Always give myself extra. So now I'm gonna cut it. So now I have a door. I need to attach some screws, which I'll do later. I'm just gonna do the wire right now. This is the basic setup. I need to rake up more dirt right here so that it's level and there's not this huge gap. So now we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna flip this bale around. These ones are gonna open to the right. This one's opening to the left. That way I can have this one open and this one open and transfer stuff. And I can, doesn't really matter, you can make them all the same way. But to me, in my mind, it just works this way better. Which way the door is open is totally up to you. You can pretty much get to everything without having to open the door. In all reality. So we're gonna put these screws in.